Today we'll talk about how can you log out of your account on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you will find here logout here. You just click here on logout here. So then automatically here it's going to take you out of your account on your app. So that's all you have to do to log out of your account. That's all. I wish now you accurate. You just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.